Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to be moving Harrods Garage to the new HQ. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, we've got the fogs here. Put the back seats down. I'm going to start loading up. So we'll get tools over there first. We'll start loading them up. Alrighty guys, haven't got a huge amount of tools, but we'll get moving. Let's head over to the new HQ and I'll show you around. Well guys, the power steering has some air getting into it. Most likely the old O-ring when I put the silicon intake back in for the turbo. So that'll probably be a check out the new house. Oh, I've missed this. She's a squealer. Train track up here, they're doing a bit of work around the area. Now there's a fibre gate up there. I'm guessing they hit a main of some sort. But here in Australia, maybe just Victoria, we've got to slow down to 40 kilometres going past emergency lights. So yeah, we're going to slow right down. Roadworks as well, so doing 40 anyways. Alrighty, here we are, new HQ. Golf club? Nah, it's a magnet. I'll show you why. Guy before had a fire. Nails. So I'm gonna sweep for metal before I bring the cars in. Here's the garage. We still got a bike in here. Some decent lighting. That's my fridge. The workbench. This is removable. I'll probably put a metal workbench here where I can do engine work and welding. And we'll get a car in here. Plenty of room to work around it, which is good. So yeah, I'll start bringing the tools in. So yeah boys, got a lot of room to work, a lot of PowerPoints, which is freaking awesome. So we'll get some more lights up. These are LEDs. Spotlight out front, but should Enough room in here to work comfortably on one. Enough room for two here. One here, and even one there. But if I was like that, the missus would be pissed off. Anyways, I'm going to keep scanning this bit for metal. This is what I picked up on the first sweep. And we'll head back to the old place. Expect to see some good projects built here, boys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next episode. Bye.